am using progesterone and it is not working. Well, ladies, I received these emails from you and I am here to help. Please do not think progesterone is not working. It works from the day you start using it to balance estrogen and keep your body healthy. Protect your thyroid, lower cholesterol, lower triglycerides, build bone, younger, prettier skin, insulin regulator, stroke prevention. By the way, #1 leading cause of death in women is heart and stroke, and heart is protected by progesterone, and so are you protected by stroke? And I have a handout for the stroke prevention. I don't want to have a stroke. I'm using my progesterone. It also nourishes your brain, and it's an anti-anxiety agent and a mood balancer, and it can also raise libido. Now, some of these benefits are inward, not immediately noticed. Progesterone has been called a medical gift from God, and I have a little handout on that, what it's doing. There's not beyond menopause. We have immunopause, vascular pause, thyropause, and more. So, keep going, ladies. Now, how long does it take for progesterone to work? As I said, it begins to work immediately, but for the outward symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats, it can take 3 months or longer to see your results. And I want you to know that I'm over 60 and I will not stop using it. The benefits for women over 60 are studied and proven. Now let's talk more specifically about you. Here are your main complaints from the emails you send me. Hot flashes is #1. They're not going away. Well, be patient. Sometimes hormones are fluctuating more than other times, and symptoms will flare up. I know hot flashes are miserable, but in time they will subside. If hot flashes are severe, or you go through a time when they get worse, for instance, you're under stress or it's hot weather, you can increase the dose until you feel comfortable. When you have a couple of weeks of comfort, then you can cut back to your original dose. Too much progesterone will not hurt you. Pregnant women are making 300 milligrams per day. Okay, #2, insomnia. I still can't sleep. Well, hormone balance almost always helps with what I call sweet sleep. If you've been using progesterone for at least 3 months and still experience sleepless nights, try increasing your dose at night. Put it on your face and neck. You could actually do this in the beginning if you're a chronic insomniac. And also, if you're not getting the results you want, consider adding melatonin. I love it. Melatonin is the sleep hormone, and many of us have very low levels after the age of 40. So I personally take 5 milligrams per night, and I'm getting 9 hours. Yay! And I also have progesterone on my nightstand, and sometimes when I wake up, I'll just put it on my face, and in about 7 minutes, I'm back to sleep. I do have a melatonin handout. The handout queen has a melatonin handout that I've compiled from all my research, if you would like it. Okay, #3 main complaint. Take a guess. You probably got it. Hair loss. When progesterone and estrogen fall, androgens have an increased influence on our hormones, and hair can shed and thin. Now first, I want to give you a little overview of how hair grows. It grows in 3 stages. The anagen stage, which is active growth. The cataphin stage, which is the transition where it stops growing, and that lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. And then the telogen phase, which is the resting phase when the hair falls out, and this lasts about 2 to 3 months. So your scalp should have 90 to 95% of your follicles in a growth phase. This means about 5 to 10% of your hair is in the shedding phase. So that accounts for the hair that falls out every day. So don't be alarmed. This is normal. Don't be alarmed if you see hair in your shower, your brush, or your comb. This is normal, as I said. You may just be noticing it more because when we're younger, we're not paying that much attention to our hair. We've got boyfriends. Or it can also be your hormones. Keep your hormones balanced and you will be pleased. I said this before, my hairstylist immediately noticed when I began using progesterone. Barbara, what are you doing? Your hair is thicker. Music to my ears. So do not be impatient. Hair grows slowly. At the most, a ½ inch per month. That's like a little tiny bit. So as long as you keep your follicles open, you will prevail. Okay, one last thing. Number 4, are you under stress? Cortisol can do something called the progesterone steal. Cortisol will take some of your wonderful progesterone and use it to make more cortisol. It's a thief. So I like to recommend a good cortisol regulator like Phosphatidyl, Serine, or my favorite, I take this daily, Super Adrenal Stress Formula. And I can send you the information on that as well. You can also apply extra progesterone during stress to thwart the progesterone steal. Okay, my friends, I urge you, do not give up on your creams. I want you to have the benefits for your longevity and for going forth as a vibrant and joyful woman. Remember, consistency and being steady wins the race. That is me, and that will be you. So reminder, I've got the progesterone packet. I've got a packet, lots of stuff to encourage you or to someone you love. Let's keep our hormones balanced. Let's be consistent so we can feel great into our 90s and beyond. I'm your hormone cheerleader. Now hang on, I've got a prop. I'm your hormone cheerleader. Love you.